Welcome to brochure exercise. How to do brochure in Microsoft Publisher, that we will see in this tutorial. So already the browser exercise available in our e-learning page, so we can download. You can find the instruction given how to do the perform this exercise. The instructions are given in the Word file, and you can see the images, the pictures needed for this exercise also given. So all the informations are available in the folder, brochure exercise folder. So what we want to do now is, so first of all, first we should go as usual the brochure, open the brochure. In the built-in you can find the brochure template. So click the brochure template. This is the first job you want to do it. Second job, what is the second job? Next to one, we should open this brochure template. The template what is given, ascent box is a template I should select. So what I want to do is ascent box. I'll go here. Where is my ascent box? This is my ascent box. Select the ascent box. Second one, what is given, my color scheme is Sherry, my font scheme is Times New Roman. So what I do, Sherry, already it is Sherry is there, so no problem. Sherry Times New Roman is already there, so I will select the Times New. If it is not there, go and select here. What is a Times New Roman? We go and select the Times New Roman. So this way we can select our font and time scheme. So this is a method. So first one what we did, first one we select the brochure, then we select what is called ascent box. Second one color scheme, third one we selected is what is my font scheme, Times New Roman. Next one, very important one, what we do, we want to select our business information. So go here as usual, create new. I can create BR because already I have brochure BR, that's why BR1, I'll select BR1. So what this information is nothing but this information already given in the exercise. So copy and paste it. Organization name, Higher College of Technology. Copy this one and paste it here. Here. There is no name. Actually, it is not individual name. The brochure mainly created for what purpose? One department purpose, one conference purpose, one webinar purpose, or some other meet. That like that, some organization purpose, some symposium purpose, that way it is created. That's why there is no individual name for it, only the organization name, their information. So copy and paste all the information. Clear? Now I will remove and I show you how to paste this logo. So all the information given here, you see here it is given. So address is like this. Select this address, copy this address, paste here. Can you understand? Paste this one. Like this you can do the addresses. So here you can see the addresses because I am just checking, not overwriting. Here I will remove and again I will show you how to add the logo, those who are new. So add logo, go here where you are keeping your exercise folder, that is very important. I am keeping my exercise folder here. You can see I have my exercise folder here. So I will go here, I'll find the course material, updation, publisher exercise. Here I have brochure exercise. Here I have SCT logo. Here I can click this logo, insert. See here, insert it. Automatically coming. What is the name I am saving this brochure? BR1. Correct or not? I'll save the exercise. I save this exercise. Clear? And next one, very important one, form none. By default, all brochure exercise coming is what? 3 panel. Can you see? 3 panel, 4 panel it is given. Can you see here? Can you see down? 3 panel, 4 panel. I want only 3 panel. I am putting 3 panel. And forum is nothing but form. Form is nothing but order form, response form, sign up form. Form I am not giving anything. None. Now I want to do what? Create. Once again explain. First one I created what is called ascent box. Second one I created what is called the color scheme. Third one I selected font. Fourth I did it what? This PR1 I all the thing I pasted. I inserted the logo. Page size automatically coming 3 panel. I want 3 panel. Create this one. That's all. I have none because it is given is what here? None. So this is 3 panel. Can you see this one? This is my 3 panel. So that's why 3 panel you can ask. 1, 2, 3. This is a 3 panel. I did it. So this is what I did. Now I will do create. If you create, you will get like this. Clear or not? What is the next instruction given? Once you get this is information. Can you see the same manner I get? What is the instruction I given? Erase the unneeded information. Only whatever you type, keep it. All other information, erase it. How to erase? Select this one. You see, select this one. Delete button in the keyboard. So delete the button in the keyboard. So delete it. Here, select, delete it. Select, delete it. And you keep all this also. Select, delete it. Select, delete. Others and all no need. This and all you need. So select and delete. This phone number is not needed for you. Later we will put it. So what is the next point? You can see. This is our sixth point is one. Insert, they saying insert SCT logo image and placed close to motto here. Put it this one here, from here to here. Show in the given images. The same manner I will do. Take this image, drag it and put it here. Clear or not? Up to this I did it. Are you clear? So I will see what are the save, because this tutorial only 5-10 minutes I want to do. I want to do serials of this one. So what I do is, this is enough for this. I will just save this information. Correct? This is tutorial part 1 brochure. So I saved this file information as a part 1 brochure, and